Hi students, this is Harshnath Shukla and today in class 12 we are going to discuss lecture number 8. Chapter is determinant and topic is area of a triangle. As you know in class 10, area of a triangle. As you know in class 10, if this is a triangle A, B, C, A has x1, y1, its B is x2, y2, C is x3, y3 as its vertex, then area of triangle is nothing but delta 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This is area of triangle. So in this chapter we have to represent this particular area in determinant form. Then we will get delta is equal to 1 by 2 x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. So this is the area of triangle with vertex x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Okay. So now we shall discuss some question based on this area of triangle, and then after cofactors and minors in next lecture we shall discuss. Okay, so see, write down, find the area of triangle whose vertices are 3, 8, minus 4, 2 and 5, 1. Okay, so here x1 is 3, x2 is minus 4 and x3 is 5, y1 is 8, y2 is 2 and y3 is 1. So area of triangle delta is 1 by 2, x1, x2, x3, that is 3 minus 4, 5, y1, y2, y3, 8, 2, 1 and 1, 1, 1. Okay. So this is the area of triangle. So how will we solve? The very simple. In this we apply R1 tends to R1 minus R2 and R2 tends to R2 minus R3. We will easily get 0, 0 and then expand it, we will get the area of triangle. So let us see how we will get the answer. See, R1 tends to R1 minus R2, that means 3 minus 4, delta is equal to 1 by 2, 3 minus 4 plus 7, 8 to 6, 1, 1, 0, minus 4 minus 5, minus 9, 2 minus 1, 1, 0, 5, 1, 1. Now expand it, easily we will get the answer. Leaving this row and this column, we will get the answer. So 1 into this row and this column, leaving this row and this column. Why? Because we expand it from this particular element. So 7 minus plus 6 9 ja 54. So this is 61 by 2 square unit. 61 by 2 square unit. Yes, it is correct. Again, the next question. Find the equation of the line joining A1, 3 and B0, 0 using determinant, and find the value of K if DK, 0 is a point such that area of triangle ABD is 3 square unit. So let us see this question. This is example number 18. Okay. Example number 18. Find the equation of the line joining A3, 1 and B0, 0 using determinant, and find K if DK, 0 is a point such that area of triangle ABD is 3 square units. So first of all, we find the equation. Let Pxy be point on AB, then area of triangle delta 1 by 2 x1 y1 x1 x2 x3 y1 y2 y3 0 1 x 0 3 y 1 1 1. You just consider as x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3, and then area of triangle will be 0. So we will have 1 by 2. This triangle, area of triangle is 0, that means 0 0 1 1 3 1 x y 1. This determinant should be 0. So after expanding it, we will get 1, then leaving this particular row and this column, we will get y minus 3x is equal to 0. So y is equal to 3x. Now we will have a point DK, 0 on this AB such that area of triangle ABD is 0. So let A is this, B is this, and D is K, 0. D is K, 0. Again, area of this triangle 1 by 2, you know where x1 y1 x1 x2 x3. So x1 x2 x3 3 0 k y1 y2 y3 1 0 0 1 1 1, and this must should be 0 because this area is 0. So we expand it, we will get 1 0 k. Okay, no problem. So expanding from this particular column, we will get area of this triangle is 3. So this is minus 1, and leaving this row and this column, k leaving this row, and k minus 1 is equal to 3. So minus k plus 1 is equal to 3. So k is equal to 2. Minus 2. Okay. So this is the value of k. So in this manner you have to complete the exercise 4.3. Okay. So next topic, lecture 9, is cofactor and minor and cofactor. So because of completing this particular exercise, I am not going to expand this particular exercise, but we just see some more questions, so that the points A, B plus C, this is question number 2, exercise number 5.3, 4.3, exercise 4.3, question number 2. The first one is very easy. Find the area of triangle with vertices this. And question number 2. So that the point A, B plus C, B, C plus A, and C, A plus B are collinear. This is also a good question. This point is to be collinear. Okay. So for collinearity of point, we need area of triangle is 0. So solution here A is x1 is A, x2 is B, x3 is C, y1 is B plus C, y2 is C plus A, and y3 is A plus B. So area of triangle is nothing but 1 by 2. You know very well x1, y1, x1, x2, x3. So A, B, C. This is y1, y2, y3, B plus C, C plus A, and A plus B. And this is 1, 1, 1. Okay. So if this particular point is collinear, then area of triangle must be 0. So we can find it. Delta is equal to 1 by 2. Using operation, R1 tends to R1 plus R2. Yes. Sorry, C1 tends to C1 plus C2. C1 tends to C1 plus C2 will get A plus B plus C, 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 B plus C, C plus A, A plus B, 1, 1, 1. And if we take A plus B 1 by 2, A plus B plus C as a common, then 1, 1, 1, B plus C, C plus A, and A plus B, 1, 1, 1. And you know very well, because of two columns are identical, then by properties of determinant, this determinant should be 0. That's why delta is equal to 1 by 2, A plus B plus C, and this is 0. So I hope you understand well, and you have to complete this particular exercise 4.3. So tomorrow onwards we shall discuss minor and cofactor. Thank you.